Hello grade 10 students, welcome to another video lesson. I am Madhu Badke. We will continue with chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. In the previous class, we derived an expression for the sum of first n terms of an AP. In today's video class, we will apply this formula in problem solving. We started with exercise 5.3 in previous class. So let's continue with the same exercise. We are in question number 3, in which sum of the variables of the general expression for sum of n terms of AP is given and we have to find the others. This is subpart 5 of question number 3. In an AP, D is equal to 5 and the sum of 9 terms is 75. Find the first term and the ninth term. So from the question we know that the number of terms in the AP is 9, common difference is 5, and the sum of 9 terms is 75. Writing the formula for the sum of n terms, n upon 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Substituting the values of n and d in this expression, we get 9 upon 2 times 2a plus 8 into d is 5, and this is equal to 75. So 9 upon 2 into 2a plus 40 is equal to 75. We can take 2 common from the bracket, so we get a plus 20 equal to 75. This implies a plus 20 is equal to 75 divided by 9, which can be reduced further by dividing by 3. So we get 25 on 3. So the first term a will be equal to 25 upon 3 minus 20, which is minus 35 upon 3. Now we can find the ninth term, which is given as a plus 8d. So minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 into 5. On adding these two numbers, we get 85 on 3. Question number 6. In an AP, a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, and the sum of n terms of the AP is 90. We have to find n and the nth term of the AP. Using the information a equal to 2 and d equal to 8, let's write down the sum of n terms. So we get n upon 2 times 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 times 8, and all this is equal to 90. Let's simplify this equation. N upon 2 in brackets 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. N upon 2 into 4 minus 8 will give us minus 4. So 8n minus 4 equal to 90. We can take 2 common from this bracket. So we are left with 4n minus 2 equal to 90. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Multiplying this n with the bracket, we get 4n square minus 2n, and carrying 90 to the left side, minus 90 equal to 0. On dividing by 2, we get 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which we can solve by splitting the middle term. So the product is going to be 2 into minus 45, which is minus 90. Find factors of minus 90 so that you get the coefficient of the middle term, that is minus 1. So 9 into 10 is 90, and we have to place minus sign with 10 and plus with 9, so that the sum is minus 1 and the product is minus 90. So this equation is 2n square plus 9n minus 10n minus 45 is equal to 0. Taking common, n times 2n plus 9 minus 5 will be common from the third and the fourth term. So we get 2n plus 9. So the factors are n minus 5 into 2n plus 9. Equating each bracket to 0, we get n equal to 5 and n equal to minus 9 upon 2. Since n is the number of terms in the series, it cannot be negative. So the answer is 5. We also have to find the nth term of this AP. So nth term will be A5, which is equal to A plus 4D. Substituting A as 2 and D as 8, we get fifth term as 34. Question number 7. In an AP, the first term is 8, the nth term is 62, and the sum of those n terms is 210. Find n and d. Using the nth term formula, let's write down an. An will be equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, and that is equal to 62. So let's substitute here a, that we know. So 8 plus n minus 1 d is equal to 62, or n minus 1 d is equal to 62 minus 8, which is equal to 54. Now let's use the other information, that is the sum of n terms. Write the formula. So n upon 2 times 2 into 8 plus n minus 1d can be substituted from here, which is 54. And the sum of n terms is 210. So now we have an equation in n. So let's solve this equation. 210 is equal to n upon 2. 16 plus 54. So this is 210 equal to n upon 2 into 70. So n is equal to 2 into 210 divided by 70. So solving these numbers, we get n equal to 6. Now we have to find d. So from this equation, n minus 1d equal to 54, we can get d. N minus 1 will be 5. So d will be 54 upon 5. Subpart 8 of main question 3. In an AP, the nth term is 4. The common difference is 2. Sum of those n terms is minus 14. Find number of terms and the first term from this information. Let's use the expression for the nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2, substituting an and d. On solving this equation, we get 4 equal to a plus 2n minus 2. So this is a plus 2n equal to 6. Let's mark this equation as 1. Now let's use the other information that is given in the question. That is, the sum of n terms is equal to minus 14. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So minus 14 is equal to n upon 2 in brackets 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. Now observe that in this equation there are two variables. One variable is n and the other variable is a. In order to reduce this equation to an equation with one variable, we will use equation 1. So from equation 1 we can write a equal to 6 minus 2n. So 2a will be equal to 12 minus 4n, and now we will substitute this 2a in the current equation. So minus 14 is equal to n upon 2 in brackets 12 minus 4n plus n minus 1 times 2. Now we see that this equation is only in one variable, that is n. So let's simplify. We get minus 14 equal to n upon 2 in brackets 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2. Add like terms in the bracket. So 10 minus 2n. Minus 14 is equal to n upon 2. We can take 2 common from this bracket, so we get 5 minus n. And this 2 cancels with the denominator. So now we have minus 14 equal to 5n minus n square. Bring all the terms of the right hand side to the left hand side. We get n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which we can solve by splitting the middle term. So the product is minus 14, which is 7 into 2. So if I place minus with 7 and plus with 2, the product is minus 14, and the sum of minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So the factors are n minus 7 and n plus 2. Equating each bracket to 0, we get n equal to 7 and n equal to minus 2. Since n is the number of terms of the AP, negative number is not acceptable, so the number of terms of this AP is 7. We also have to find the first term of the AP. From equation 1, A is equal to 6 minus 2n. So we get 6 minus 2 into 7, which is 6 minus 14, that is equal to minus 8. That is all in today's video lesson. Your assignment for today is exercise 5.3, question 3, subpart 3, 9 and 10. See you in the next class with more problem solving. Until then, goodbye.